This SDFM Electric Air Duster delivers exceptionally strong airflow with a very high motor speed that easily dislodges dust from tight spaces in keyboards and delicate electronics. 3 adjustable airflow levels make it simple to switch from gentle cleaning of cameras to more forceful blasts for desktops, vents, and car interiors. The built-in rechargeable battery offers long sessions of use and includes multiple safety protections, so it feels reliable for frequent household and office cleaning. Its sturdy, heat-resistant construction and comfortable, lightweight body make it easy to handle for extended periods without feeling flimsy or overly warm. Because it is rechargeable and does not rely on disposable compressed gas, it is a more environmentally friendly option that also avoids the cold spray and moisture of traditional cans. A versatile set of uses, from clearing pet hair and window blinds to helping with inflatables and outdoor tasks like fire starting, makes this duster a handy multi-purpose tool to keep around.